is Natalie.
I'm Danielle.
We're here to do a field hunt for the purpose of holy science and to inform you about the creatures on this planet. We have one example right over here. We have to go quiet because they're known to attack. Look at the feathers sticking up out of that one. Hey, go down there.
Okay,
Talk loud.
that right there is an aves named Branta canadensis from the kingdom Animalia. They are winged vertebrate animals that lay eggs. We also call them Canada geese. They live in elevated areas near streams, lakes, and ponds.
This is a Conifera, also known as a coniferous tree. It's in the plant kingdom, and it's a cone-bearing seed plant, actually. Its habitat is anywhere in the northern hemisphere, really. You should climb it, Natalie, to show them how to do it. Okay, let's look at the rare algae species. It is in the Protista kingdom, and it is eukaryotic and autotrophic. It grows in most ponds anywhere that in warm temperatures. Let's get a close look at it.
My gosh, it's the Bryophyta, also called moss. It's in the Plantae kingdom. It grows in the dark, and they're green and short. The rare Marcus, also known as Mark, he was part of the Animalia kingdom.
Are you filming, Natalie?
And
Natalie, are you filming?
Yeah, and he is Mark. He is known to have fuzzy hair and a tall structure and lots of other hair and be really quiet. And he normally lives in dark caves where no one can talk to him and where he doesn't have friends. So we're just walking through the animal kingdom of Tarjay, and oh my gosh, it's Mycophycophyta.
It can be lichen, fungi, and it grows on the north side of trees.
In the animal kingdom of Tarjay, and look what we found. This is an amphibian.
It's incredible.
Its scientific name, this one specifically, is Anura, and it's from the kingdom Animalia. Its group characteristics are smooth skin with no scales, hair or feathers, and it has a 3-chambered heart, and no claws, and it starts in water and then lives on land. Its common name is a frog, and its habitat is in moist regions.
It's a dead perifera.
Oh my gosh!
Spongilla lacustris from the kingdom Animalia. They're fragile and soft in texture. Apparently this one's a yellow color with some green. They can either be crust-like, branched, or clumped. And they are found in standing and running water.
Here, it's a crustacean, also known as a lobster. They're from the animal kingdom. They have a stiff exoskeleton and they live in the water.
Oh my goodness!
Look, on the same thing next to the crab, there's a clam, also known as a cnidarian. They could be jellyfish or any aquatic animal with complex features such as shells.
Wow! While we were walking along the kingdom, look, we found an Osteichthyes. It's also known as a bony fish, and it's from the kingdom Animalia. Its group characteristics are scales, paired fins, gill covers, biting jaws, and internal bony skeletons. They're found in everything from tropical temperate employes and apparently little bags with colors on them.
We were in the bug aisle of the Animalia kingdom, and look, we found the beetle. It's in the Animalia kingdom, and it lives almost anywhere in warm temperatures, and is an insect with a hexapod and wings. And the scientific name is the Coleoptera.
Look, it's a Hymenoptera?
Wow!
Whatever, it's an ant. It's in the Animalia kingdom. They are insects. Yeah, and their habitat is everywhere, pretty much. My god, that potato just killed it.
Oh, but oh no!
Where'd that come from?
Oh no! Whatever are we going to do? There's murderers in this animal kingdom.
Look, a dicot called Helianthus anus or whatever from the Plantae kingdom. They're flowering plants with 2 embryonic leaves. This one's called a sunflower.
What is this? Oh my goodness! It's a reptile, and specifically this one, a Testones, or most known as a turtle. It's from the kingdom Animalia. It has an armored shell, leathery skin, and flippers or legs depending on where it lives. It can live everywhere from ocean to tropic islands.
Oh my, look, it's the rare human spider. It's also known as arachnid. Arachnid. Also known as a spider. They have abdominal areas and sepithalex, another part of the body, and 4 pairs of legs. And they're in the Animalia kingdom.
This.
It's a monoran called Escherichia coli in the monoran kingdom. They're single-celled organisms with no membrane around the nucleus. This one's called E. coli bacteria. They're found in the lower intestine of warm-blooded animals. It's a monocot called Narcissus pseudonarcissus from the plantae kingdom. They have yellow flowers, a dark central trumpet, and long narrow leaves. This one's a wild daffodil. You can find it in woods, grassland, and rocky ground.
People are like, what the hell's wrong with you? We're looking around and, oh no, it's the magic potato, it's gonna attack Mark. Oh. Ooh. He conquered that potato.
Oh, well, while we were just walking down, something randomly just popped out at this Etch-a-Sketch, and I believe it is a chelopod. Its common name is a centipede, and it's from the kingdom Animalia. It has 1 pair of legs per body segment, poisonous claws under its head, and antennae and simple eyes. Its habitat are in many dry regions. Surprisingly, in the same Etch-a-Sketch, randomly, another one, just like the centipede, showed up. This is a diplopod, also known as a millipede. It's from the kingdom Animalia, and it has up
Worker, hurry.
It has up to 750 feet and antennae, and it lives in dark, damp areas.
Go.
Look, it's Basidiomycota. It's also known as a mushroom. It's of the fungi kingdom. It has a stem with a cap and has spores. Its habitat is anywhere. Look, it's a Pterophyta, also known as a fern. It's of the plantae kingdom. It lives in any places where the environmental factors limit growth of flowering plants so it can grow. It has long leaves that come off a very long stem like this, and it's green.
Oh, sorry. Got attacked by an annelid. And a potato. It's an annelid. It's from the kingdom Animalia. It's more commonly known as an earthworm. That's orange. Its group characteristics is external segmentation and repetition of internal organs, collagen, and a closed circulatory system. It lives underneath in the soil, but this time apparently flying through the air.
That right there, it's a gastropod called Radix labiata from the kingdom Animalia. They have well-defined heads with 2 or 4 sensory tentacles with eyes. They have a ventral foot.
On the final leg of the science journey, we're here to experience the final thing.
Natalie, duck!
Oh my gosh! It appears that there are Lepidoptera, which are the common name of a butterfly. I think it's safe now. Butterfly. And they have 2 sets of wings on their body. Oh my gosh! And they're insects and they're from the kingdom Animalia. And they go through a cycle of life and they live in most warm climates.